Packing up. Jaden, get yourself out of the bag. What, Tanner? Oh, is somebody gonna be a big baby? Oh, look, I found a little boy. I found a little boy. I look at so happy. Because we're gonna leave now. It's time to get ready to go. It's dark. Giovanni, are those good chips? Are those good chips? Yeah?
Here, come into one.
No, don't cover yourself up with the bag. You're gonna suffocate yourself.
I'm not.
So what do? You do it anyway.
You cannot make it cold.
It's time to pack up. Put your socks and shoes on, you guys. Look at Tanner and Soa playing with sand.
Shut up.
Making sand castles.
This is wet, by the way.
Alright, well, start packing up, you guys.
No.
Yep, starting to pack up. Look at this, you guys. This is Tanner not wanting to go. Come on, Tanner. Get going, Tanner. It's time to go, Tanner.
Shut up.
No more playing with the sand, little boy.
John.
This is still going on Facebook.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's going on Facebook. Oh, trying to stop it because my battery is dying. Say goodbye, everyone.
Bye, dude. Goodbye, ugly faces.
Okay, bye.